Good morning and happy Sunday over at the studio, getting ready for quite the show. It is a 4-hour show here. And you know, it's Sunday, so that means I like to check in with all of you and let you know what we're up to. And we have two really incredible items today. First, we have my cookbook back, which I am so excited about. I think it's only ever been on 2 other times. If you've never checked it out, I'm going to show you a little sneak peek. You have to try this cookbook. Over 130 recipes, which is incredible. And my cookbooks in the past have been, hey Matthew, hi Tracy, good morning Amanda. My cookbooks in the past have really been about family recipes, like my grandmother's and my mom's. And this cookbook, Recipes Worth Sharing, is truly all about the way I cook now. Many of you know, since marrying Ed, we have 5 children, 4 grandchildren, and this huge family. Hi Harley. Hi, Stella. And really, these are the recipes that they love. Even a mac and cheese that I do for my grandkids, which is so exciting. They love it, love it, love it. So 130 recipes. And here's the deal, you guys. Try it for 30 days. Make these great recipes. Give me your feedback. Let me know what you think. I try to put tweaks on it as well. And if you don't love it, you can return it, but you can eat on me for 30 days. I love that. Okay, hi Dawn. Hi Hope. Hi Brian. I love that you guys all check in with me on Sunday. This is actually one of the greatest highlights of my day. So good morning, Joy. How are you? Hi, Debbie. Hi, Phyllis. I have my earpiece on. I have the producer talking in my ear because we are about to go live shortly, but I just wanted to walk you out and show you, as I promised. Now I'm going to get a little quieter because, you know, there's live shows here. Here is the new item coming up. This is a 1 day only. Something you have been asking for, traditional loaf pan, so just under 2 quarts. Can we talk about the adorable wood server that it sits on, or cutting board, with the burned in pattern, and of course the terry cloth mitts that so many of you love, embroidered. And get this, we only did it in holiday. It's the only order ever. There's our romance, there's our shamrock. We did it in egg hunt. I gotta show you. Look how stinking cute the wood board is. Of course, all the hand painting. We did it in ocean fetty. We did it in firework fetty. And we did it in firework. But full disclosure, all we have is all we have. We're trying to do some more seasonal items, just seasonal for you. And then, as I mentioned, the cookbook. Recipes Worth Sharing, over 130 recipes. Won't be on until probably close to 3 p.m. Eastern time. But we have appetizers and desserts and such incredible food. Great, nice, oversized font, salads, and different spins and tweaks on some of your favorites, which is the way that I love to cook. So again, really fun show. Lots of different things that we've been able to incorporate in here, which is so exciting. And the 1 day only will be on around 1:30 Eastern time. And then, as I mentioned, that cookbook will be on a little after 3 o'clock. So if you want to check out and tune in to see David and Stacy and the whole gang, we would love to spend our... Oh, and there goes Justin. We would love to spend our Sunday with you. Okay, I gotta go because we're about to start the live show, and I'm getting a side stare. All right, so good seeing all of you. Hi everybody. Bye. See you soon.